The curious case of the jittery city. Sarah, a data analyst with a penchant for patterns, found herself staring at a perplexing anomaly. It was late one night, the only sound the gentle hum of her computer. She had been analyzing citywide data for months, looking for correlations between seemingly unrelated events.
There, on my screen, a clear pattern emerged. Cities with higher coffee consumption also reported significantly higher rates of innovation. At first, I dismissed it as a coincidence, but the data was undeniable. The more coffee a city consumed, the more patents it filed, the more startups it spawned, the more vibrant its cultural scene. Driven by a thirst for knowledge, both literal and metaphorical, I embarked on a journey to unravel the hidden story of coffee consumption. I knew the answers lay not just in the numbers, but in the human stories they represented. It was time to step outside the spreadsheet and into the world, cup in hand.
A world awash in coffee mapping consumption. From the bustling cafes of Seattle to the traditional coffee ceremonies of Ethiopia, coffee's aroma permeates every corner of the globe. But our love affair with this caffeinated elixir is far from uniform.
Scandinavia, led by Finland's insatiable thirst for caffeine, claims the crown for the highest coffee consumption per capita. Europe, steeped in centuries-old coffee traditions, follows closely behind. North America, home to the ubiquitous coffee shop, holds its own, while consumption in Asia and Africa is steadily on the rise.
Over time, consumption patterns shift and evolve, mirroring broader societal trends. The rise of specialty coffee reflects a growing appreciation for quality and craftsmanship.
Even within individual countries, coffee consumption can vary dramatically. Understanding these nuances is key to unlocking the full story of coffee's cultural and economic impact.
The Coffee Connoisseur, a statistical portrait. To truly grasp the significance of these trends, we need to look beyond the numbers and into the lives of those who drink coffee every day.
I am most likely in my late 30s, living in an urban area, and working in a field that demands creativity and focus. You might find me sipping a meticulously brewed pour-over or grabbing a quick espresso on my way to work.
They care about the origin of their beans, the roasting process, and the brewing method.
I am a reflection of our collective fascination with coffee, a testament to its ability to transcend borders, cultures, and generations.
Section 4. Brewing up success. Coffee's impact on productivity. Coffee's influence extends far beyond the realm of personal preference. It plays a significant role in our professional lives, shaping our productivity, creativity, and even our career choices.
Studies have shown a strong correlation between coffee consumption and work performance. Caffeine, coffee's most famous component, acts as a stimulant, boosting alertness, focus, and cognitive function. This translates into tangible benefits in the workplace, such as increased efficiency and problem-solving abilities. Moreover, coffee shops themselves have become hubs of innovation, providing entrepreneurs and freelancers with a space to work, connect, and exchange ideas. It's no coincidence that many successful startups were born from conversations sparked over a cup of coffee.
Section 5. Coffee and conversation, a social catalyst. Coffee's influence extends beyond our individual lives, shaping our social interactions and fostering a sense of community.
The ritual of sharing a cup of coffee transcends cultural boundaries. It's a universal language, a way to welcome guests, break the ice, and forge bonds. Think about it. How many friendships have been forged over a shared love of lattes?
Coffee shops create an environment conducive to conversation where people from all walks of life can come together, share ideas, and engage in meaningful dialogue.
In a world increasingly dominated by digital interactions, coffee offers a welcome antidote to the isolation of the virtual world.
Section 6. Beyond the beans, data's power to reveal. The story of coffee is just one example of how data can illuminate the hidden patterns that shape our world.
Just as Sarah, our data analyst, discovered the surprising connection between coffee and innovation, we too can use data to explore the world around us with fresh eyes. What other hidden stories are waiting to be told?
The next time you savor a cup of coffee, take a moment to appreciate the data that brought it to your cup.
And as you sip your coffee, consider this. What other everyday objects hold hidden stories waiting to be revealed? The answers, like the patterns in our data, are all around us, waiting to be discovered.